In the Level 1 beginner course, the white belt level, you will learn basic English through utilizing BJJ vocabulary. This course includes basic vocabulary. We work with pronunciation and grammar. You will also learn to read letters, sounds, and words. You also learn how to write words and phrases to begin communicating and expressing yourself. The course includes videos and downloadable content. There are quizzes and practice assignments in which you receive individualized and personalized feedback from the instructor. The aspect of our course that makes BJJ Language Academy the most unique are the weekly live lessons with the instructor. This gives you authentic practice and immediate feedback concerning your progress in acquiring English. All of our courses follow the research-based order of second language acquisition. You have full access to our course platform. Remember, real English language acquisition requires time, commitment, and consistency. Come join us at BJJ Language Academy to begin your English language acquisition journey.